Brussels, just steps from the European Parliament, centuries of European history unfold, from its greatest achievements to its darkest hours. A fitting backdrop for this high-level conference organised by the Panel for the Future of Science and Technology on a fundamental right, academic freedom.
It will always be a threat to despots and dictators. That is why we preserve it, why we fight for it, and why it matters so much to us in the European Parliament.
Democracy and academic freedom. Far more than parallel values, they're entirely interdependent.
They tend to reinforce each other, but in an asymmetric fashion. So democracy is more important for academic freedom than the opposite, but academic freedom is also important for democracy. When one goes down, the other one also tends to go down.
In recent years, both democracy and academic freedom have been declining globally. To reverse it, the EU is now mobilising concrete tools like the European Democracy Shield, which for the first time places scientific freedom at the heart of Europe's democratic defences.
Non-European applicants to our latest European Research Council call have doubled. Candidates from the United States increased by 5 times. This is proof that in times of uncertainty, global researchers are looking to Europe as an anchor.
In Europe, academic freedom is protected by the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights. Yet concerns persist about its uneven implementation. The European Research Area Act, expected later in 2026, is set to enshrine the principle of freedom of scientific research in EU law.
We now lay a legal foundation in the treaties and in a regulation of the Union that if you are in the European Union, you can get brought to court, the European Court, if you deny academic freedom. And I think the rule of law is the strongest instrument in democracy.